Hey guys, welcome to LA Love Creative. Today we're going to talk about how to shoot male models. Now we've done everything in regards to female models, from shooting lingerie to glamour to bikinis to bohemian, and today we thought that it would be a good idea, since a lot of you want to know the best way to tackle this, how to shoot male models and try different photography tricks to do so. Don't be afraid of harsh light. Now, if you've watched any of our other videos, which you should, go back and watch them, we always mention utilizing natural light. That is amazing and perfect for shooting female models that want to look glamorous and soft, and you can definitely use natural light for male models too. The cool thing is, with male models, is that you can utilize harsh light. So if the sun is glaring down and you can't find shadows and shade, use that harsh light because it can add a sharpness and a toughness to your male model, like accentuating a jawline, muscles. By having shadows, they can look a bit darker and moody, adding this rugged kind of, masculine energy to your shoot. Utilize harsh light, make it your friend. Don't be afraid of it, because this will actually teach you as well how to shoot in harsh light. And this is perfect for high fashion shoots with male models. Great ways to add movement is to have your model move around. So have him go around in a circle, have him shadow box, have him touch his neck, have him scratch his shoulder. And what I find is whatever they're wearing, have them play with it. And the great thing about male models is that usually if they are wearing pants, they have real pockets that they can stick their hands into, unlike women who don't have pockets that they can stick their hands into usually. So have them use those pockets, back pockets, front pockets. If there's a jacket, have them put it on, have them take it off, have them walk around with it. Now, you know what? Just at the end of the day, throw out ideas, throw out movement, throw out anything to get your model moving, because you'll get some great shots and you'll bring life to your photos. Experiment with location. As I mentioned, because you don't need to shoot with natural light, you can pretty much take advantage of any space to shoot. You just have to manipulate it to work with you. But the great thing means you don't need to stay outside. So move around, go into alleys, go into parking structures. If you see a space that's ugly, use your photography eye and see if you can utilize it, because you are shooting a male model. You can take that and make it look edgy and moody and dark. Think Fight Club, think anything like that. That's all I could think of. I also recommend having one light source that you can travel with that has a battery, so that if you are in a very dark situation, say a parking structure, you can take that light and blast it on your model. And again, harsh light doesn't matter, directional light doesn't matter, because you are being creative and you are experimenting, and that is the fun part of being able to shoot male models. So to recap how to shoot male models: 1, don't be afraid of harsh light. 2, add movement. And 3, experiment with location. Follow us on social media, it's down below, and hit us up if you have any questions in regards to photography or filmmaking. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you share, like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you next time.